Confused by those weird screws in your flat pack furniture? In this short tutorial, I'll show you how cam locks work, how they firmly connect to panels, and why they're used in ready-to-assemble stuff like cabinets, desks, and shelves. Whether you're putting together IKEA furniture or fixing a wobbly shelf, knowing cam connectors saves time and hassle. Great for new deers or anyone curious about flat pack furniture. Step 1. We need to prepare a Phillips head screwdriver and a metal bolt first. Then we need to lock the metal bolt into the corresponding threaded holes on the panel. When locking the metal bolt, make sure it is tightly locked. If there is a gap between the bolt and the panel, it will cause the subsequent connection with the cam to fail, resulting in the two panels not fitting together tightly. Please watch the correct demonstration. We can see the bolt and the panel are perfectly fitted together without any gaps. The second step is to connect another panel to the panel with the metal bolt locked. The third step is to place the cam nut into this hole. Remember that the arrow on the cam nut must point towards the bolt. Only in this way can you lock and fix the cam nut and the bolt together later. Finally, use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the cam clockwise to tighten it. Then the two panels can be fixed together.